This is a Homage beat.
This is the Redmi Note 7. Giving you a couple shots of it just so you see. This is a phone in, I would say, 9.5 out of 10 condition. It was always in a case. It's actually a little dusty right now. Let me just wipe it real quick. There's no cracks in the glass in the back or the front. Again, a little dusty here. I'll wipe it. But just so you guys can understand, I'm selling my one owner phone. The only flaw with this phone, I will say, is it was in a case. And I don't know if you can see there, the case left a couple tiny little micro scratches along the edge, but really you can barely see it. You have to really hold it up to your eye. But that'll be the only flaw. I did remove the screen protector to take pictures, and a little dust is now underneath it, so I will include the screen protector. However, you know, I'll even give you the box if you want to see what brand it was. But again, this is a very, very fast phone. I loved it. The only reason why I'm selling it is because I got a new phone for work. But it actually has MIUI version 10.3.5. So I never updated it. It is, in my opinion, the fastest version. I have consistently received screen times of 10.5 hours. The lowest was around 9.5 hours with heavy use, with 2 days battery life, guys. This is an amazing phone. Again, the only reason why I'm selling it is because I got another phone for work. Otherwise, I would be keeping this. So here you go. Thank you for watching. Again, this is my Redmi Note 7. A couple quick shots. This is the Redmi Note 7. I highly recommend it. Fantastic device, does everything you need it to. 9.5 out of 10 condition. Fantastic condition.